Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to count the even numbers and the odd digits of a number. So let's say the even digit and the odd digits of a number. Let's go ahead and kick off immediately by initializing integer variable of let's say x is equal to int, and then go ahead and input something. I'm going to tell the user to insert some numbers. So insert some numbers, and once the user insert a number, we'll go ahead and count the even numbers and the odd number. And for the even number, let's go ahead and say e is equal to 0, and for the odd number, let's say o is equal to 0. If that is ev, and for the odd number, let the odd number be od is equal to 0. So we declare them 0 at the first time so that we can be able to start counting. Let's go ahead and use a while loop and say that y x is greater than 0, or y x is not equal to 0. Go ahead and say if x modulus 2 is equivalent to 0. So if x modulus 2 is equivalent to 0, please go ahead and put this back to apostrophe, and so if x modulus 2 is equivalent to 0, then even numbers ev plus minus 1, else we'll go ahead and say that all the odd numbers plus equal to 1, and we go ahead and say that x is equal to x divided by 10. Go ahead and print out. Let's go ahead and print out, and let's see number, okay, even numbers as even numbers equal to percentage d. All right, wow, percentage d, put a comma, then odd numbers equal to percentage d. So modulus, go ahead and assign even number and odd number. So the even number is going to take the first percentage d, and the odd number is going to take the second percentage d. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So insert some numbers. Let's go ahead and insert some numbers, and let's go ahead and hit enter, and even numbers are 6, odd numbers are 5. So if you go ahead and check that, you see that even number is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and odd numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go ahead and run it one more time and check it out. I believe it's working out very sweet. So 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, and even numbers are 2, while odd numbers are 3. Can you see that? It's working out very fine. Now the code is just ready before you. Go ahead and put it down on your own system and play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.